Hello and welcome to another tutorial. My name is Yoni. I am from Graphic Tutorial Division, and in this tutorial I will show you how to set up the text around an image or around an object in Adobe InDesign. So let's begin and open the program and go to File, New and Document. Create a new document. I will choose Letter and Landscape. Okay. Now I want to select the type tool. I want to make a text box. Click and drag the text box. Okay, now type and select fill with placeholder text. Now I want to split the text in two columns. In the right side will appear the text frame, and we split the text in two columns. If you don't have in the right side the panel options, click on Control B, Command B, and will appear the panel. Okay, I want to split in two columns, the number two columns, and gutter. Increase the gutter. Gutter is the distance between columns. Click on balance columns. Click I want to increase the gutter, the space between columns. Okay, now I want to import an image, and go to File, Place, and I want to import this image. Click on Image, drag in Document. Okay, I want to put the image in the right side, and the text will be around this image. Okay, and click on the image, click on Window, and select the text wrap. And now with the image selected, click on the third button, Wrap Around Object Shape. Click on this button, and now we must select the Detect Edges. Okay, the wrap to click on both the right and left sides. I want to, let's say, move this image in the right side. And now if you want to have more distance between text and the image or on the object, click on this button and increase the space between text and image. We can move around in our document wherever you want. The option of the wrap text is keeping. Okay, I want to put in this. Okay, this was the tutorial for how to set up the text around an image or object in Adobe InDesign. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.